got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop. Give me the Macklemore haircut. They heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a flex. No Ken, I don't work for free. I smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple J. Yeah, that shit did not work for me. And now I just set herbal tea. I'm at the swap meet in the road, eating church's wings. So no emergencies. In the club, that's my cousin. Angel, so in love, that's my cousin. You got me fucked up, that's my cousin. Like you know what's up. Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. Better by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt on my knees, said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back. Don't be dumb, gotta do it yourself. It's up to you to turn a pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. Treat the beat like a pussy and I eat it up and put it up and leave it. So you cannot compete with this. I'm in and out of traffic in the Cadillac. Wait, is that a song on the radio? Wait, is that a song on the radio? Always dreamed of when I had peach fuzz. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's nuts. Me eat chicken wings and onion rings. If you wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no puppet strings for the company. We sucker free. I ain't tripping them with the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly. In the club, that's my cousin. Angel, so in love, that's my cousin. You got me fucked up, that's my cousin. Like you know what's up.
Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa et Albatraoz. C'est parti!
Yeah, Lori said she was a mouse, smoked the cheese and like the owl. Mommy, ho, chinka, chinka, chinka. Lori was a witch, yeah, a sneaky little bitch. So fuck that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.